I did get a request from a viewer asking me how to roll a canvas with one of these type of canvas rollers. As you can see, it's just the curlicue, the almost circle, this kind. This kind. And so I thought I'd take a minute while I prepare a canvas to start to show you how to roll it. It takes a little finesse sometimes, but once you do it a few times, you get the hang of it. It's all good. So this is a Black Dahlia Diamond Art roller, as you can see here. But this should work. This, what I'm going to show you, should work with any kind of canvas roller that is this design. And so basically, this is what I do. There's no right way or wrong way to roll a canvas with one of the, well, okay, I take that back. There are right and wrong ways. The right ways are the ways that get it rolled up correctly, and the wrong ways are the ways that get you nowhere and your canvas doesn't get rolled. But generally speaking, you can find, little ways to do it or alter certain things to make it work for you. But here's my way. Here's what I do. So I take the see where the open end is? I take that and I just kind of I get my canvas in there, right? And I kind of slide it down here to the middle. And then you take your canvas, and you want to roll with the drill field outward, by the way. I know it feels and sounds terrible and wrong, but that's what you do. And so we've got it in there, and we've kind of got it started. You see when I'm there. And what I do is I hook my thumb here on the end, and I kind of almost roll it like you're trying to tight roll a poster. You know what I'm saying? Back in the 90s, 80s and 90s, when we had wall posters and stuff, you wanted to take one down and roll it up. And that's all you do. You hold your roller in place on one end, and you pinch the edge of it, see, in here, and you twist it, and you want to try to get it as tight as possible. And what I'm doing is I'm moving this hand forward this way with the roller. So I'm rolling actively that way, while at the same time I'm taking the pinched edge that I just dropped, this pinched edge in here, and I'm rolling it toward me. So this hand is taking this edge of the canvas and rolling it inward toward me, and this hand is taking the roller and rolling it outward at the same time. And then you just keep doing it until it eats up your canvas. You know what I mean? Until it gets it all in there. And you might have to adjust where you hold the canvas roller in place, and you kind of just tighten the inside to get it a little bit tighter so it eats more of the canvas. It all fits in there, but that's ends up being what you do. You just roll toward yourself this way with the interior of the canvas, and then you take and roll it outward this way with the roller. So and here we have a rolled canvas, 50 by 75 canvas. And then as you want to work on it, you just hold your roller, right, and you just pull it off, just like some parchment paper or whatever. You just pull off what you want to work on, and then when you're done, it won't hurt it. Say you have drills all up in here, it's fine, it won't hurt it. You pinch and just roll it right back up. And this will fit a canvas with drills in it. It shouldn't hurt it. I can't promise you won't ever like knock some drills off in certain circumstances, but you could roll up a whole completed diamond painting in a canvas roller like this if you wanted to. Or you could roll up the part you have done. So say you've done most of it and you just need to finish this part, that you could roll it just like I showed you with drills on it. So either way, it works with drills on, it works with drills off. So there you be. I got a little cattywampus there, as you can see. I got a little crooked. I just straighten it out. But yeah, that's basically what you do. So you can roll some out, work on it, and oh, got to put it away. You just pinch the inside, roll forward here and inward on this side, on the inside, and voila. And then you can just tap the ends to straighten it out. And there you go. I hope I'm not the best explainator. I admit it. Hopefully me showing you and telling you helps you in some way. I know a lot of people kind of have trouble getting started with it, but that's how you get started. And I walked us and talked us through it. So now I'm just going to like show you one more time without the in-depth explanation. Okay? Watch. I know, silence is deafening, isn't it? There we go. So hopefully this demonstration helped. If you need more clarification on a certain part, or maybe written instructions, or you need me to do it again in slow-mo, whatever you need to help you be able to use one of these wonderful type of canvas rolling tools. If I didn't cut it here, if it wasn't good enough here, and I was about as clear as mud, just let me know and I'll try again if you'd like me to. But there is your answer and your video as per request. Until I see you again, stay naughty.